Hi everyone, my name is Delene Grant and I am now at part 7 on my presentation regarding Ontario Superior Court of Justice, motion, record and order. Okay, it's now tab F. As you can see, there's a tab and now I'm on F right now. Okay? F, amended statement of claim. So amended, why should it be included? All right, please feel free to review. Amended statement of claim saw this amendment for the first time on September 10, 2020. Amended statement of claim dated July 17, 2019. I was confused and had questions I did not understood then. Why did the lawyers combine both wrongful dismissal and long-term disability cases? Both claims should be separated since my issues differ with mobility and my life insurance. Since retained name or clause showed no interest in my cases, but deliberately delayed my cases with ridiculous excuses. 1 year and 2 months later, this lawyer had not met with me to discuss my cases, but chose to combine my cases to further delay my claims. As you can see here, when Courtney stated, that got me confused because I didn't realize that it was from Nicolini law. But anyway, name or law was also involved. Courtney Madison made a statement of claim July 2019. When I asked for a statement of claim, could I see it? Because the examination for discovery for September 29, 2020 was around the corner. And I didn't know what I was up against. So I asked, can I review the statement of claims? This is when now she sent them. But afterwards she said, on September 10th, as you see, Courtney said, hi Delene, take a look at this one. This is the amended statement of claim. The earlier ones were issued by your prior law firms, and this amended version adds them all together. You notice that this lawyer do not understand my case, or she was just being deliberate. Okay? It was stamped and from, as you can see, July 29, 2019. Okay, be free to review. This included Bell Mobility Inc. Okay. And I did make mention of it. How could this amendment be possible? By this time, after the motor vehicle accident on July 2nd, I had retained name or clause on July 11, 2019. Name or clause requested my wrongful dismissal and long-term disability cases was retained on July 26, 2019. How could Nicolini law, without a contract, had such power to have an amendment made to the statement of claim on July 29, 2019 and signed on July 17, 2019? As I thought, I was so confused then. I leave everything as is because I'm just like how they're trying to confuse everything. So at the point in time, I just thought it was Nicolini law. So Nicolini law, because if I retain name or law on July 26, 2019, how could Nicolini law got this signed on the 17th of July 2019? I was thinking Nicolini law, but no, this was name or law. I don't know how they did it. Wow. Nicolini law's statement of claim always indicated Bell Canada. You know that, okay? Did they finally become wise and amend the correct company name, Bell Mobility? This time, as I said, I was still confused, but now I got it. So all of this was done by name or law, changing it to Bell Mobility, okay? Benjamin Law firm's name also appeared on the amended statement of claim. Which lawyer actually did this amendment to the statement of claim? Okay? Nicolini law and also name or law. Please feel free to review. See here. Benjamin Law name is there. Nicolini and Nicolini law is crossed out, So was this correct? I'm sure Benjamin Law did not combine. Okay? Feel free to review. And they included Bell Mobility. I did not retain Benjamin Law for Bell Mobility. I retained Benjamin Law for long-term disability. You see, the statement of claim was incorrect. We were going to meet, and then I would have explained everything to him so that he could make the adjustment, because I would not have money life insurance on my long-term disability statement of claim. All right, please feel free to review. Thank you. Deception by name or law continued, okay, because it was not certified. This combined statement of claim was not certified, and the Superior Court of Law should have recognized that. All right, please feel free to review. Thank you. No court stamp. What a mess. Nicolini Law had made the amendment to the statement of claim. I had no contract with Nicolini Law firm for my wrongful dismissal and long-term disability cases. After I contacted Nicolini Law on January 8, 2019, the firm seemed to have become very active towards my cases, since statements of claim were submitted to me for the first time on January 10, 2018, 2 days later. Now, I got fired from my work on May 24, 2018. Didn't hear from Adrian Nicolini Law Firm. I went to Kevin Marshall Law in January, and that's when I had to ask for statement of claim. And since I asked for statement of claim and got it, then Nicolini Law Firm was so active. I retained Benjamin Law Firm on February 13, 2019 for my long-term disability case. I retained Stephen Root to Markin Law on March 26, 2019 for my wrongful dismissal case. Why was Nicolini Law Firm making amendment to the statement of claim after receiving consent from the defense counsel on February 28, 2019? Nicolini Law, Adrian Nicolini informed Benjamin Law of this change via letter dated May 14, 2019. Benjamin Law was my lawyer prior to February 28, 2019. Deception. See the following communication from Nicolini Law and compare with the letter sent to Benjamin Law Firm on May 14, 2019. Okay. Already saw this. Okay. It says this is from Benjamin Law, the Industrial Alliance, April 9, 2019, and it says, please be advised that we act for Miss Grant in regards to her long-term disability claim of May 8, 2018. See the date here? I retained this lawyer since February. All right? So letting you know. All right? And this is to Industrial Alliance, as I said, and Financial Services. What did Nicolini Law do? May 14, 2019, a month later, that's when he's going to email Benjamin Law to say, oh, our office is in the process of amending the long-term disability statement of claim to include Bell Canada, as if I retain this lawyer. Please feel free to review. I brought this forward several times. I believe you're used to it by now, okay? Please feel free to read. Thanks. July 2nd, okay. Since June 2019, I received my first correspondence I retained Agent Nicolini on April 10, 2017, and this was for WSIB, right? In the form of a letter, got it, right? The correspondence, the form letter from Nicolini Law Firm regarding WSIB. 2 years later, something has been happening, you know that. Wow. Yeah, you're doing something right. So now you can settle correspondences and whatever. Okay. So July 2nd, I'm just showing you that this lawyer, I was not getting any response from this lawyer. And this is regarding WSIB. So July, August, and it's regarding WSIB. All right. Nothing to do with long-term disability or wrongful dismissal. Okay. Okay, the file numbers are the same. Since Nicolini Law combined the statements of claim with my WSIB claim, which was included in the contract for Manulife Insurance, see date of September 7, 2016, on the statement of claim long-term disability for Manulife Insurance. I received short-term disability pay for period September 7, 2016 to October 31st, 2017. Then payment ceased effective November 1st, 2017. I received retroactive pay in January 2018 for November 2017 and December 2017. Salary and benefits ceased again effective April 2nd, 2018. So what did Nicolini law I have here. He says here, on about September 7, 2016, the plaintiff became disabled from each, from each and every function of her regular employment. It was not September 17. Well, I was injured. Yeah, I was off work then, but I returned to use my left hand. It says here, the said policy, whatever is here, you know what, I won't even go through and read it because this is just false information on myself here. But you can see that date of loss for WSIB, what Adrian Nicolini is saying here, okay, is not September 7th. And I kept using September 7th in everything. And no, incorrect. All right, please feel free to review. Thank you. They're using the same number and same date here. Okay, September 7, 2016, and that's it. This is incorrect. September 7, 2016, Workplace Safety and Insurance Board, September 7, 2016. This cannot be the same for long-term disability. Does you see that this is wrong? Date of loss, that's not it. No. To Benjamin Law, no. No. Long-term disability is supposed to be May 2018. Okay. Now we're at G. Letter dated April 3rd, 2019, and notice of change of lawyer dated April 3rd, 2019. Okay. G, as I said, letter dated April 3rd, 2019, and notice of change of lawyer dated April 3rd, 2019. Okay, now they have the Manufacturers Life Insurance and Industrial Alliance and Financial Services Inc. without Bell Mobility. Okay, this is Benjamin Law Firm. This is what Benjamin Law Firm had. Okay, just letting you know. They never combined thing. All right, April 3rd. The plaintiff formerly represented by Adrian Nicolini from Union Nicolini Law Group, and he shouldn't have. I would have clarified that because I did not sign a contract, but I didn't get a chance to. Has appointed Anthony Stephen Benjamin of Benjamin Law as lawyer of record. Okay, and as you can see here, all right, and I retained this lawyer since February 2019. Okay, please feel free to review. Thank you. Here, everything is there. It's not, I guess, not certified as yet. Okay. As you can recall from my previous presentation, that Nicolini Law duped Benjamin Law. Okay, I never retained Nicolini Law Firm for long-term disability, so there should be no charges, no cost at all. All right. Well, what Nicolini Law Firm did, you billed Benjamin Law for WSIB, right? Although this lawyer didn't do anything for me for WSIB, right? There should be no charges at all. Okay, I already retained the lawyer, as I did indicate on my some presentation ago, right? April 10, 2017. I retained the lawyer for WSIB. As you can see here, April 10, 2017, you can see it there. And then you see Workplace Safety Insurance Board, and you see September 7, 2016, that they have there. That's my accident claim at work. So Benjamin Law, while I was working, was charged for WSIB. I got fired from my job on May 24, 2018. So all this belongs to WSIB and was charged. And June 5th, I went to the lawyer's office to be retained for long-term disability, and I was not retained. And this is supposed to be consultation, so there should be no cost because consultation is usually free. Okay. After that, I don't know what went on. I don't know anything. I never signed a contract. There was no statement of claim. Okay. And all that. I know nothing. So I do not know what are these charges for, made up charges. Please feel free to review. I went through this already, okay? And as you can see, April 10, 2017, so deception of the law firm, life insurance company, short-term disability litigation, April 2nd, 2018 to May 1st, 2018, plus damages. Industrial Alliance would have been litigation, May 2nd, 2018 to present. There are no documents in my possession from Nickel Law Firm regarding long-term disability. Nickel Law Firm falsely charged Benjamin Law Firm for all the deceitful schemes, including WSIB. I was still employed April 10, 2017 up to May 24, 2018. April 2nd, 2018 to May 1st, 2018 should be short-term disability. Benjamin Law Firm should not be charged for long-term disability since there were no charges incurred with Nickel Law Firm. Okay, so Nickel Law took charges from Build Benjamin Law. That's another deception criminal act. Wow. Wow. Please feel free to review. Thank you. All right. Ironically stated on a docket sheet that he saw me on May 2nd to discuss the status of my claim and next step. What claim was he talking about? Please feel free to review. This lawyer and I did not meet. This lawyer and I had not discussed anything. Okay, please feel free to review. Okay. As a matter of fact, yes. When we met, it was not about long-term disability or anything. Okay. I received my warning letter from Bell, and I went by his office to give him a copy of the ultrasound that I received from my hand to prove that I still had declaratory interest in the body. That's all. Okay. Please feel free to review. Thank you. Okay, April 24th, this was 2018, right? My Adele Balaise again did a lot of stuff. Even with Adrian Nicolini, the WSIB lawyer, talking to her. She still did a lot of stuff, and she allowed Bell, because of her, Adele Belzile, Bell started to send me warning letters because she said, whatever she did, she said, your absence from work is not authorized. Your employer will be notified of this. Okay, please feel free to read. We went through this already. Okay. This was when I went by Adrian's office. This was the ultrasound. Okay, got it for May 1st, 2018. Proof. That is why I went to his office. He got this. All right. Feel free to pause and read. And this was my response to Adrian to say, thank you for meeting with me today, May 2nd, 2018. Okay. So I went to him regarding that. It was not regarding long-term disability. Feel free to read the letter if you wish. Thank you. Verdun, May 2018, Industrial Alliance Insurance, right? It says here, Manulife has informed us from that your short-term disability benefits have been suspended as of April 2nd, 2018, as you were deemed capable of returning to work. Okay, so this is proof, right, that Manulife Insurance is for short-term disability. Okay, for short-term disability. And however, I was denied long-term disability. All right, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you.